Welcome back to the show. The next part of the show is called The Sounds of X.2. Now, presented by SPH Gift of Music, the Singapore Wind Symphony Youth Winds return to Cosfest for the second time. Now, more information about the SPH Gift of Music. Now, this has been launched in 2005 as a gift to the nation to celebrate Singapore's 40th anniversary. The SPH Gift of Music series has been entertaining Singapore audiences in the heartlands, school campuses, parks, concert halls, and shopping centers. And thousands of Singaporeans from all walks of life has enjoyed the free concert. Now, you will find exciting selection of memorable soundtracks from your favorite Japanese anime and video games led by its resident conductor, Mr. Mohamad Rasull. You'll be treated to a music deluge from anime classics including One Piece, Neon Genesis, Evangelion, and Naruto, and be swept away by the famous tunes of Caramel Dancing. The band will also be paying tribute to the wonderful work of video game composer Nobuo Uematsu with music from Final Fantasy 7, 8, and 14. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, the resident conductor of the Singapore Wind Symphony Youth Winds, Mr. Mohamad Rasull. And the first piece we're doing, One Piece OP, We Are. gentlemen, we are going to move on down to the medley from Legend of Zelda, Ocarina of Time.